Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are studying maths of second standard. In previous video we have learned question number 1 and 2 of revision station. Today we will learn question number 3 to 8 of numerical problem. So let's come on page number 31 of revision station. Question number 3. 24 children from class 2A, 18 children from class 2B and 4 children from class 2C participated in a quiz competition. How many participants were there in the competition? So, first of all, we will write number of students who is participated in quiz competition in class 2A, class 2B and class 2C. So first, in class 2A, 24 children participated, class 2B 18, in class C only 4, 24 in class 2A, 18 class 2B, in class C 4 children participated in the quiz competition. So how many participants were there in the competition? Total how many children participated in quiz competition? So what we have to do? We have to add of this number, means we have to use addition. Okay, so 24 18 24 plus 18 plus 4, add this number, add ones place number 4 8 and 4 is at ones place. So 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 4 16. So we'll write 6 of 16 and 1 is carry. I rounded. So 1 is carry, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. Total 46 students. So we can say that there were 46 students participants in the competition. There were 46 students participated in the competition. So we can write like this after question 4 6 46, and in the sentence there were 46 children participated in the competition, okay, or in the quiz competition. So let's come on next question. Question number 4. In a book fair, 96 people visited on the first day and 54 people visited on the second day. So how many people visited the book fair in 2 days? First of all, we will write number of people who visited in the book fair in 2 days. So first we will write 96 people visited in the first day. In second day 54 people. How many? 54 people visited in second day. So how many people visited in the fair in 2 days? 2 days, how many people visited in a book fair? So what we have to do? We have to add of this number. Okay, we have to use of addition. So 90, I have written 96 and 54. 96 plus 54, add ones place number 6 and 4. This 6 and 4. So 6 plus 4 10. We can't write directly 10. We have to take 0 of 10 and 1 is carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15. Answer is 150. So we can say that total there are 150 people visited in the fair in 2 days. In the last we can write 15150. When we will copy in book number 2, so we have to write sentence, questions, answer, and answer in the sentence, in the answer in number and in sentence also. So there are 150 people visited in the fair in 2 days, in the book fair in 2 days. Next question is question number 5. Naomi read 111 pages of his storybook in the first week and 112 pages in second week. So how many pages did she read in 2 weeks? So first, Naomi read 111 pages of storybook in the first week. 111. How many? 111 pages of storybook in first week. In second week, 112 pages. In second week, 112. So we have to know how many pages did she read in 2 weeks, in first and second weeks, 2 weeks. In first week she read 111, in second 112. What we have to do? We have to add off this number. So 111 plus 112. Add ones place number 1 and 2 is equal to 3. And 10 place number 1 and 1, 1 plus 1, 2. And 100 place 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Answer is 223. 223. So we can say that she read 223 pages of storybook in 2 weeks. She read 223 pages of a storybook in 2 weeks. So we can write 223 like this. Next question is question number 6. A farmer has 23 cows, 18 horses and 14 goats. How many animals does he have? A farmer has 23 cows. Number of cows is 23. Plus number of horses 18. And number of goats is 14. What we have to do? How many animals does he have? How many animals does he have? We have to add of these animals. We have to use addition. Okay, add ones place number 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 4 15. We have to take 5 of 15 and 1 will be carry. Okay, at 10 place, and 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, and last number 1, 4 plus 1 5. Total 55. He have 55 animals. We can write he have 55 animals. In the last we can write 55. Question number 7 is add the following: 23 plus 45 plus 63. The number and the question is written in the form of horizontal. First of all, we have to write the numbers in vertical. 23 plus 45 plus 63. At ones place number 3 plus 5 8, and 8 plus 3 11, 1 is carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, and 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Answer is 113. When we will copy in book number 2 in maths notebook, so you have to copy like this. Okay. First we have to write in number in vertical. Then we will have to solve this question. Question number B is 62 plus 74 plus 43. 62 plus 74 plus 43. Add this number, add ones place number. 4 plus 2 6 and 6 plus 3 9. 6 plus at tens place number. 7 plus 6 13 and 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. So answer is 117. Next C question is 122 plus 31. 122 plus 31. Add ones place number. 2 plus 1 3 and tens place 2 plus 3 5 and 1 is carry. 1 is alone, so 1 will be as same 1. Answer is 153 153. Next last question is of 7 is D. 120 plus 47. 7 plus 0 7. 4 plus 2 6 and 1 same as 1. 167. Last question, question number 8 of revision station. There are 43 students in class first, 52 students in class 2 and 49 students in class 3. How many students are there in all three classes? First of all, we have to write number of students in class 1, 2, 3. So there are 43 students in class 1, 52 students in class 2 and 49 students in class 3. What we have to do? We have to add of number of students in class 1, 2, 3. So we will have to use of addition. So at ones place number. 3 2 9 is at ones place. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 9 14. So we have to take 4 of 14. 1 will be carry at tens place. 4 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 5 8. The last number is 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 4 plus 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14. Okay. Ones place 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 9 14. 1 is carry. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14. Answer is 114. So total there are 144 students in class in all classes. There are 144 students in all classes. So we can write in shortcut 144 number of students. But when we will copy in maths notebook, we have to write first sentence, question, answer in numbers and answer in sentence also. Worksheet we will see in next video, page number 32. Jazakallah.